All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. And today we have just boarded the Voyager of the Seas, which is a Royal Caribbean ship. And so we are in room 8620, which is a balcony stateroom. It's midship on the 8th floor, so we're going to show you around real quick. All right, and here we are, room 8620. It is just off the elevators here and steps. And so as we step in, we have Therese greet us right here. Thank you. And so immediately on the left, I'm going to go ahead and show you this stuff first as a closet. It is pretty much your standard closet. They have about 10 hangers in there. They also have 6 or 7 shelves right here. They have your life jackets right there. So plenty of storage right there, just kind of a standard closet. And they have a light switch. This one, first one right here, is for the bathroom. We'll step in right here and show you the bathroom. But they have this rail right here that allows you to raise and lower the shower head. And I am 5'10", and so as you can see, you can raise it and have. So as you can see, there's plenty of room right here. That's a lot of room in here. I'm gonna step back out. All right, I'm out, and you see the shower shuts from both sides. So yeah, even with that shut on the inside, it feels like there's plenty of room. A pretty standard shower for, a cruise ship. You also have your trays right here. And one thing you do have is the Salt Breeze hair and body wash in one. I would highly suggest you bring your own. They don't have conditioner here. And so I would bring your own, shampoo, conditioner, body wash. If you want to use that, go ahead. There's no problem, but we bring our own for that. You have your toilet right here, and then also you have your sink. Hello, everybody. Have a couple cups right here. Have your Salt and Breeze soap. And then you also have, get this opened up. That opens to the inside right here. You have your vanity shelving right there where you can store your toothpaste, deodorant, whatever you need right there. So kind of get that stuff out of the way. All right, so yeah, it's really only big enough for one person, which is what you'd expect on a cruise ship. And so we're going to step out of here and get you into the main cabin area. And to our left, you're going to see we have all our documents out right here. They have, if you are interested, they have press only. If you want to get your stuff ironed, I know we have a formal night since it's a New Year's cruise. Formal night is New Year's Eve. They just have some advertisements. They have your Crown and Anchor Society stuff right here. They have a champagne art auction going on. These are our stateroom cards, which are basically your key to the world. And then this is kind of your Deck the Holidays package for our particular cruise. And then of course we do have an excursion coming up here in Cozumel, and we'll make sure we document and vlog it for you guys as well. The next thing I know everybody seems to want to know these days are the plugins and such. And so this being an older ship, there are not a lot of plugins on it still. I know it was recently in dry dock, but they didn't update that as far as any of the rooms and stuff go. So you have your European plug there. There's tape over that one. I don't exactly even know what that is. And then you have basically your 2 regular outlets here. You also have your light switch right there, which turns your lights on and off. The TV, Therese, is the TV swivel?
Yep, comes out and it swivels.
Awesome. So that comes out, swivels, so it's nice and easy to see at night from your bed if you wanted to. Also, they have plenty of storage as far as drawers go. You have 3 right here on the left side of your vanity to pull out. You have 1 in the middle. Let's see if there's anything in that. Yep. So this is kind of your breakfast, I guess, option. If you wanted to do room service for breakfast, you kind of see your options right there. And then the room service menu, get that a little better hold on that. And then you have your room service menu right there as well. The room service is extra. The service fee is $7.95 per room per delivery, with an 18% gratuity added to that. So we're going to shut that back. And then also they do have a, whoops, not in that drawer. In this drawer, they do have a hair dryer there for you as well. All right, you also have 3 more drawers below that. And then beside that is a cooler. It is not a refrigerator. It is not going to necessarily refrigerate things that are not cold, at least not very quickly. However, it does say right there, keep it cool but not cold. It is a cooler, not a refrigerator. So don't expect to put something in there and it to be cold in an hour. So I would definitely give it some time. All right, so now that we're done with the TV and the storage area, Therese is going to tell us about the bed. How's it feel? We've been on several cruise beds.
It's quite firm. I don't like a firm bed. So it's gonna. But you can request mattress toppers. We haven't done that yet. But you have to generally get those early on in your cruise because there won't be any. So but this is a little firmer than I like, but it'll do, I guess.
What's that light switch turn on?
That light right there.
Okay. And then also you do have a full-length mirror outside the room right there, so that's convenient, so you don't have to try to stand in the bathroom and see yourself getting ready. These lights right here are just basically reading lights for the bed. And then probably what most of you want to see is the balcony. So we're going to step outside right quick. Now we're still in port. We just got on the ship a couple hours ago, and there's plenty of room on this balcony. As you can see, there is one chair, a really nice sized table right there. I would say it's more than a coffee table. It's a small table where you could sit down and have a couple plates for breakfast and things like that. We have been on ships before where it's more of just like an end table type table, but I do like that. And then of course another chair. I'd be remiss, a 25-year-old ship, it's showing its age a little bit, but I don't mind that at all. As you can see, a little bit of rust here and there, some age on the wood, but I kind of appreciate that part about it. And so I'm really pleased with this particular cabin. I kind of like how it is still surrounded a little bit by metal. You can see there's not there's metal, or I guess a wall between you and the cabin next to you. And even on this side where it's glass, it looks like it may open, or would on newer ships, but it looks like it's pretty much sealed or welded shut, so you're not going to be able to do that. And then, like I said, we're still in Port Canaveral, and so we're just enjoying a little bit of time in the room right now. We do have early dining, so in a couple hours we're going to do that. We're still waiting on our luggage to get to our room, which it says by 3 o'clock, and so hopefully that gets here soon. But yeah, so we'll give you one quick view back into the room from the balcony. Therese, anything else to add?
No, I'm excited for this cruise. Ready to go.
Yep, me too. Great day, and a
Be
great
sure
New
to
Year.
like and subscribe.
A great New Year. Y'all have a great day.
Happy New